Ladies and gentlemen, this is amarula seeds or amarula juice, because this juice is short lot of stuff, so you can mix it with water and different things that the people they mix when they manufacturing amarula. So the question is this: most of the people, when they are visiting the area of Mopani area at Limpopo province, South Africa, they drink this juice amarula. Others they call it juice, others they call it beer. Others, when they drink it, they got drunk. Others, they don't got drunk. So the question is this: most of the people around the world, they ask themselves that if I drink the original amarula from Mopani area at Limpopo province, South Africa, if I am a man and then I drink amarula, when I go to bed to have sex, can I make a woman fall pregnant, or can I make a woman to get pregnant? This is the question that most of the people they ask themselves. If you want to enjoy this drink, visit South Africa at Limpopo province, Mopani district, or Bembe district. They have the festival every year of Amarula. So others they coming from Nigeria, others they coming from Congo, others they coming from Botswana. They say when I go there and then I drink amarula, when I go home and then have sex with my wife she fall pregnant. It is true that amarula can make a woman fall pregnant. I'm talking about the original amarula. I'm not talking about the one that we are buying at the liquor store or a bottle store. I'm talking the original one. When the grain is make it, when they are there, or when the grain manufacturing it, when they are at Amarula festival. Thanks.